Hey, I am Alok Kshirsagar, a recent graduate from NK Orchid College of Engineering and Technology, Solapur. From college only, I got selected for the QSpiders, and I selected the QSpiders Wakad branch, which is located in Pune. In that branch, I have selected the Java Full Stack Development course. In Full Stack Development course, they consist of core Java, advanced Java, SQL, web technologies, etc. While you learn these all technologies, they conduct mocks and presentation. In mocks, you will get to know how the interviews are being conducted, how your knowledge is there, and in presentation you have to present a topic in which they give on the day-to-day basis. After that, there is a final mock which is conducted by the trainer to test your all the knowledge on that basic specific chapter or language. And after accepting that requirement call, I head to the Mumbai for the interview process. And after that, it was a lot good actually. It went good. I want to thank you all the QSpider community for helping me out and providing such a great experience.